Hi guys, it's Mike. Today I'm back for the AAA Cards Challenge. It's number 172, one layer and the optional twist of my other hobby. And this is the card I made. I hope you can see it. I used to have an allotment or vegetable patch, and I had to give it up because my arthritis and rheumatoid joints, they didn't like it too much. But I thought I should use that as my theme. And I'm masking off my card base as it's one layer. And at first I thought I'll do some brown as the ground and then colors in between. And then I changed my mind. Because there's only, well, I'm not sure there's three. I think there's two that go underneath the ground. And I wanted the tops to stick out. And I think the last one I put on the right is a pineapple. And I put it underneath, so I put them all underneath the ground. Yeah. So I'm just using finger daubers to apply some random fun colors. And then I kind of randomly as well. And yeah, I'm trying to identify that. I think it was a reddish. Or is it a strawberry? I don't know. But it doesn't matter, because that's why I'm coloring them in a funky way. And I thought maybe I should just do lots of carrots. And of course there's not just orange carrots, there's yellow and red and purple and almost black ones. But yeah, I didn't. And I just, I use my finger dauber and I put on dots. And oranges, yellow, green, red, purples. And then just see where my stems will land. That will color the vegetables or fruits. And I thought that was a fun way to go and do it. My banana turned out green and purple mostly. A bit of orange. And you don't know what kind of banana that is. But it doesn't matter. I don't care. My pear and turnip seem to be blushing. That's kind of funny. And of course my onion or garlic is really nice and purple and green. There's actually purple carrots, garlic actually. But I did, as I said, I wanted it to be random, so then you can just get the color of the little strip, which, as I said, first was supposed to be the ground, and now it's just a colored strip. And sometimes that is how your card evolves and changes as you go about it. And I think I've used spice marmalade, mustard seed, barn door, wilted violet, and dusty concord, or the other darker one. I can't remember. And mowed lawn. Yeah, that's it actually. No blues. I think it was Dusty Concord. Doesn't matter. You can use chipped sapphire or the other one. I can't remember. Don't mind me. Long day. I'm heat setting it because I want to emboss. Of course, I want the inks to be dry. And I'm testing it with a little bit of embossing powder. And see, there it's still stuck a little bit. So I heat set it again, off screen this time. And then to stamp it, I'm using the clearly besotted Pick a Plushie. And for the sentiment, I'm using Funky Fossils Designs a Plant a Garden set. And there's some nice images in there as well. But it's all above ground. So that didn't fit my initial design. And I might make another one and use just this set, because there's a pot and lavender. And this little basket. And wheelbarrow. I might use it, I don't know yet. I'm placing my vegetables that have, well, above earth grow, like the carrot and the turnip and what I think is the pineapple. And then the other ones I just randomly placed in different directions as well. I didn't want them to be all straight going, you know, topwards. I think it fits another one there. So I have apple and bell pepper and pear and banana, possibly a pineapple, carrot, garlic or onion, and a turnip. And at first I'm stamping them with the WOW embossing ink, and so I can emboss them in white. I'm sure you can do this also in black, but I thought white was fun for, I don't know why actually. Probably going back to my first idea of using a ground color brown, you might not see black, but yeah, I changed my mind. And I'm leaving the masks on because I also want to stamp the crowns of the vegetables, whatever the leaves grow on top of the soil, in black, because you know it's white, you won't see them otherwise. And I did use Gina K amalgam ink because I thought I might color them in with the green marker, but I thought there's enough color as it is. So see, I'm repositioning the mask. Make sure it's in the same corner, because otherwise, see. And then I'm just using black, trying to ink them as well best as possible. Yeah, you don't have to ink the whole image, just the tops, and maybe a little bit more so you get all the edges as well. I thought it was just funny, peeking out of the strip. One layers are always different or difficult for a lot of people, so I hope this gives you some ideas of how to put on some more inches on your card without adding dimension. And yeah, as I said, the sentiment is from Plant a Garden. That's a really big set, by the way. I'm also using Gina K amalgam ink, just so it matches and it's there on my desk. And I'm a gardener, what's your superpower? That's a nice well, sentiment question. What is it? What's your superpower? I know it's not flying, so I hope you will join us. Remember, one layer, maybe use the optional twist of your other hobby, whatever it is. And I look forward to see what you have made. I've made funky vegetables. Thank you for watching. Bye!